You accepted an offer. The buyer was approved. The moving truck was scheduled. Then the lender reviewed the HOA documents. 3 days later, the entire deal collapsed. No problem with the house. No problem with the buyer. The problem was the HOA. Can an HOA really make your home unsellable? In some situations, absolutely. Welcome to Community Living. Here's what most homeowners don't realize. None of these deal-killing problems have anything to do with the condition of your house. You could maintain your property perfectly and still lose a sale because of your HOA's finances. Today, we'll look at 4 HOA issues that can derail a sale and what to watch for before listing. Imagine you're selling a condominium for $400,000. A qualified buyer submits an offer. Everything seems normal. Then the lender requests the association documents, budgets, financial statements, insurance information, reserve funding reports. Within days, concerns start appearing. Suddenly, the buyer's lender has questions. Then, more questions. Then the loan approval disappears. The sale falls apart. This happens more often than many homeowners realize. And it has nothing to do with the home itself. It's about what the lender found inside the HOA's financial records. The first issue is litigation. If an HOA is involved in major legal disputes, lenders may see increased risk. For example, a $300,000 construction defect lawsuit, a contractor dispute over unpaid work, a large owner lawsuit against the association. Not every lawsuit causes financing problems, but some lenders become cautious when significant litigation is involved. The larger the uncertainty, the greater the concern. For buyers using financing, that concern can sometimes become a deal breaker. The second issue is inadequate reserves. Reserve funds help pay for major future repairs: roofs, roads, elevators, building systems. When reserve balances are dangerously low, lenders worry that future owners could face large special assessments. A low reserve balance doesn't automatically stop a sale, but it can raise questions that slow, or sometimes derail, the financing process. The third issue is owner delinquency. In simple terms, too many homeowners aren't paying their assessments. When collection problems become widespread, the association's finances become unpredictable. Lenders review these numbers carefully. If a large percentage of owners are behind on dues, financing options shrink. That means fewer qualified buyers. And fewer buyers means a harder sale, longer time on market, lower offers, or both. The fourth issue may be the most dangerous: known major expenses. Imagine buyers discover a $1.5 million roof replacement, a structural repair project, or a large special assessment that's already being discussed. Even if the assessment hasn't been approved yet, uncertainty alone can scare away buyers. Many buyers don't want to inherit a surprise bill immediately after closing, and lenders don't like uncertainty either. Before listing your home, consider reviewing the association budget, recent financial statements, reserve funding information, insurance coverage, known upcoming projects, meeting minutes from the past year. These documents often reveal potential issues before a buyer discovers them. The earlier you know, the more options you have. You might address the problem. You might adjust your pricing. Or you might simply be prepared to explain the situation to a buyer's lender. The worst outcome is being surprised at the closing table. Can an HOA legally stop you from selling your home? Usually no. But financial problems inside an association can absolutely make a sale more difficult. The good news is that most warning signs appear long before a deal reaches the closing table. Understanding those signs can help you avoid surprises and protect one of the largest financial transactions of your life. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Community Living for practical HOA education without the drama. And check out our videos on the 10 HOA financial documents to review before buying, and the 5 warning signs of HOA financial problems.